What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to yet another smoothie episode. What can I say? I've been loving smoothies a lot lately, clearly. It's the perfect way for me to get in my nutrients for the day and to get out my content for the week. So today we're making a summer smoothie in the middle of winter. So I'm using frozen mango, frozen pineapples, a whole peach, which I cut up off camera, and of course my trusted oat milk. So the cup is a little frosted than in the last frame because I put it in the fridge as I sliced up my kiwi so that my fruit doesn't start defrosting as I slice up my kiwi. So I got everything all together in my blender and got to blending, and voila, a beautiful yellow color. I'm sorry, did I say that acai was my favorite smoothie color-wise? Actually, I changed my mind. This one is. And then, of course, my toppings, which is my favorite part of this entire process. So my kiwis, which I sliced off camera and sliced them a different kind of way. I made them circular this time around. And then blueberries, and of course, my maple pecan granola, which is so delicious. And there you have it. 3 out of the 4 of my favorite colors all in one bowl. How pretty does that look? Let me know in the comment section if you ever try out any of these smoothie recipes or any of my recipes from Yaya's Eats. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday.